Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a spring eyeshadow tutorial. I love this time of year. I love the looks I can create. I created a very green-esque look with a pop of pink on the lower lash line, and I did that using the Natasha Denona Retro Glam palette. I think it's such a fun one to pull out for spring. The more I use this, the more I am liking it. My initial thoughts on the palette were not my favorite, but I've been using it quite a bit this last month or so, and I'm actually really liking it if I use it in the correct way. But anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Taking the Natasha Denona Retro Glam palette, I'm going to go ahead and start in with my crease with this shade Hinge. I'm just going to use that as an initial transition shade. I'm just building it up and blending it out as much as I feel like I need to. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Evergreen on a smaller brush and really focus on defining that outer V. I feel like the key for any good look, at least on my eye shape and skin tone, is to really focus on defining that outer corner and then just slowly blending up. And kind of, I want to marry the two shades together, and going back with that first shade and just softening out the edges, working it in. I'm going to go back and forth as much as I feel like I need to. I really do want to kind of get that shade there in the crease. And then for all over the lid, I'm going to go in with my finger on the shade Marlin and pop that just all over, and just getting that, I really want to make that sparkle. And then I think I'm going to go in with the shade Flutter and just kind of top the inner half of the lid with that, just to add a little bit more of a shimmery finish. Just kind of right there in the inner corner. I don't want to go all the way across the lid, but just enough to add just to make it a little bit more fun and lively. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to add a pop of pink. I'm going to go in with the shade Flare and just pop that right here, just to add again another fun pop of color. And then going back in with the shade Flutter and adding that on the inner corner. It's a little bit messy right now. I will go ahead and clean it up with some concealer. I will shape up that outer edge, but I will do the rest of my makeup and be right back. Here's the final makeup look done. I went ahead and I put on the Anastasia gloss, and I added the Benefit roller liner just to brighten up my waterline. But I will go ahead and get my hair done, get dressed, and show you an outfit of the day. Alright. Here is the final look. I decided to go colorful today to match the colorful eye look. I wore this teal tank top with a cami underneath. I did this because I am 13 weeks pregnant and I wanted to show off the baby bump. I know I'm not showing too much right now, but I wanted to celebrate this pregnancy as much as possible. So any little bump I have, I get to show off. I wanted to do that. And then I just straightened my hair. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and as of right now I am pregnant, so I do have some pregnancy content coming, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as my love for my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. If that is what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I would love to have you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.